I ordered this dash cam actually a while ago. I just haven't gotten around to putting it in. Some things are just hard to do with one hand. This dash cam is designed to exactly fit the Corollas, the later models. I guess there was something different. Okay, something different. The earlier 12th gens were a different plug or something like that, but this is designed to go up and take power directly from your rearview mirror area. Comes with a little micro USB. So let's see what it looks like. You can do this in a front only or a front and rear. And just a heads up, you cannot add the rear to the front because the plug is different. So I just went with the front one. And it is designed to replace the piece. Oh, look at that. It's already got a memory card inserted and everything. So, but it's designed to replace the OEM piece underneath your mirror. So it's very stealthy. It does have a piece of protective plastic over the lens, so don't forget to take that off. But let's get this mounted in today. It should be pretty straightforward and quick. So pop off the oval trim and then pop this one on and use this. And it's nice. I mean, it's already got things on it so they won't rattle around. So that's a nice touch. Okay, get in the car and let's get this popped on. So first deal is to get this old cover off. Oh, there we go. I figured it was just easier getting my finger in there, and it was. So I just put my finger right up here at the top and popped it off. And as you can see, yeah, there's just a couple of clips right there. So now I need to get to this. Oh, there we go. Push forward. Yep, so you can see these clips right here. You don't push down, you push forward, and they just slide off. So what we need to do is take these clips off and pop them onto the new camera one. So unfortunately, guys, I need two hands to do this, so I'm going to transfer them real quick. Here are the two pieces side by side. So the OEM one and the new one with the camera. So I moved those over, and it was real simple to do with the little, there it is, let's see what it is with the tool they gave me. So I just used one of these little forks here, and I just kind of popped this up and got my finger under it and then popped it down on the underside, and it popped right off. So relocated those to the new piece. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect this piece right here plugs in to there, and have to disconnect that connector right there, and this will go in line there. So this will plug in where that goes, and that plug will plug in right there. I got this one unplugged right there. There's just a little tab on it right there, so just push up on that and pull out, and you'll have access to that. These two are the same. Needs to go all the way in until you hear a click. Well, I say that. It didn't click, but it looks like it's all the way in. Let's give a tug on this. Yeah. Okay. That is all the way. Out of the way so I can show you. That is all the way plugged in. So this piece will plug right into there. These two, and then this one will go into the camera plug. So the camera, I mentioned it earlier, almost forgot it myself. I'll make sure. I pull that off so everything doesn't look blue. Make sure that that cord stays down. Okay, I think I'm going to have to use two hands here, guys. So I'll pause this real quick. Well, that slides in pretty easily. So it is in place now. There's the camera. So I just need to make these final connections. So the round to the round on that one, and then this gets plugged in to this one, and we'll tuck them away. I've got both connections made now and just tucked everything up in there. And the last little cover, that's really all it does, is it just keeps those connections up there and hides everything. So I'll snap that in and we will be done. Here's the finished product after snapping on the final cover there. So makes it all nice and tidy again. So and then I pull the mirror up some, give you a little, there's the bottom of the camera right there. So here it is installed. Sorry about the reflections from the glass. So that's the outer view. I got the app downloaded for it. See if turning on the light helps at all. Probably gonna give me more reflections though. Got the app downloaded and got that all working. And so, boy, yeah. just hard to see. I'm trying to get a good least reflection. So there you can see it. But anyway, that is installed. I love it. First time I've ever had a custom fit one for a car. I wish they made them for more cars. This is fantastic. So anyway, hope that helps, guys. If any of you are interested in installing one of these for any 12th gen Corolla, they make this to fit. So I will go ahead and leave the link below, and I will go ahead and attach both versions. There's I think for the 19 and 20 is one, and then the connections or something changed for the car. So, but I'll leave both and label them for anyone that's interested and would like to go ahead and get one of these. But I really like it. Looking forward to trying it out while I'm driving. But I already tested it. The videos download to my phone, and that'll be really cool. So anyway, thanks, guys. If this helps you, smash that like button. Subscribe if you want to see further videos on things that I do to my cars and other people's cars, and we will go from there. So I think I'm going to take a little spin. We got our last nice summer day. We got rain coming in tomorrow and for the next few days, so that's good. We need it, but definitely gonna have to take the MR2 out for a spin and then test out the new camera on the GR Corolla. So thanks, guys. Appreciate it. We'll see you down the road.